Hi everybody, I'm Professor Fortunato, and today I'm going to show you how to use Yellowdig in my classes on Canvas. And today I'm going to be showing you from my Spielberg-Lucas class, although if you're taking another class with me that uses Yellowdig, pretty much the principle is the same. So you follow the virtually the same instructions. There's one or two differences that I'll point out when we get there. But you start on the home page of our Canvas class. Like I said, in this case, I'm looking at Spielberg-Lucas. And then you go over to the navigation pane, and you will find assignments. Click on assignments. And when it comes up, you want to go and find Yellowdig and see where it says Yellowdig Engage Discussion Board. You want to click on that. And that'll take you to the assignment page. Now, if it's your first time, you'll want to read through these instructions very carefully to make sure that you're doing the proper amount of word count for your class and the amount of posts that you need to do each week, and so on and so forth. So be sure to carefully read through these instructions before you get started. And then once you've got that, then you can go ahead and post. And you scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see where it says Load Yellowdig in a new window. And you want to click on that, and it's going to do just that. Loading a community. And here's a test one that I did before, but I'm going to create a new one just to show you what I was doing. But you'll see here on the main page, these are all the comments that people are leaving for their particular Yellowdig post that week. Anyway, you want to go over to the side here, the upper corner where it says Create. Click on Create, and that's going to start a new post for you. But the first thing you need to do is to select a topic. Now, this is where it might be different for different classes. Different classes might have different topics. For Spielberg-Lucas, for instance, pretty much you're always going to use one of the lesson numbers. So lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. If you're doing another class of mine, it might just be a general introduction or class announcements or just a general post. Whatever it is, you have to choose a topic. So let's just post for lesson 1 in this case here. Close that, and you'll see it says lesson 1 up here. Now it says you're going to add a title, so you want to add a title up here, and we're just going to say hello, whatever you want to say. Oh, these are my thoughts on lesson 1. These are my thoughts on this particular movie. These are my thoughts on the current state of the movie industry. Whatever it is that you're going to be posting about. And then when you get into the body of it, hello, my name is Professor Fortunato. And while you're doing that, you'll see that down here it tells you how many words you need to get. And in this particular class, it's 200 words you need to get the full credit for a post. So I have 6 words. I got a long way to go, but for the sake of this, we're just going to show you this example. Your word count in a different class might be different, so again, just pay attention. But it'll tell you how many words you have. Now, if you wanted to, you can attach something. You do a recording, emojis, poll. I mean, the possibilities are really limitless. I'm not expecting you to do any of those things. It's simply enough for you to just do your post on the assigned topic for that week. That's fine. And once you do, if you don't like what you do, you can cancel it and start over. But let's just say this is good. Obviously, again, I don't have enough word count here, but for the sake of example, I'll hit submit. And you can see it pops up there into the timeline. And now you've successfully done your Yellowdig post for that particular week. So hopefully that helps, and I'll look forward to seeing you in class.